Hi, so today I want to make a weapon from Apex Legends. It's called Charged Rifle, but this is the version of Reggie. As you can see, the weapon can spinning and have slot for battery. You can also use other slots for battery backup. So without further ado, let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to print all the templates in A4 size. I put the link of the templates in the description. Now you can cut all the templates like this, but sadly I made the wrong size. It's too small, so I have to start over from the beginning. Now you can see the difference after I make the correct size. Now you can connect them together according to the letter guide, like A to A, B to B, just like this. Do this to all of them. Now cut this part and don't forget to cut all the small details. After that, copy all the templates to EVA foam. By the way, for the materials, sizes, and all explanation are listed in the template. To make the detail, you can just prick with needle, then with pencil like this. Then you can connect all the points with pencil like this. After that, cut all the foam like this. Now we're gonna make the front section. You can glue all this part together. For this part, we need to cut out the middle so we can add this steel rod. Then just glue them like this. Glue this part also until it looks like this. Now glue this part and cut with the angle on the side like this. Cut with the angle on this side too. Now glue them together until it looks like this. Now it's time to try it out. And yeah, just like I thought, it's wobbling. So to solve this problem, I'm gonna add something in here. Maybe some kind of energy, just like Iron Man blaster. And this is it. I'm gonna give another try. And it's perfect. Now we'll move to the base section. We need 6 layers for the base. Take these 2 layers and glue them together. Don't forget to cut this part. Now add more layers, but for the 3rd and 4th layer, you need to add steel rod. Just do the same technique as previous until it looks like this. Also add the battery and the motor. I put the wiring diagram in the template. Glue the motor to the base. I add popsicle stick so it will stick firmly. Now add the 5th and the 6th layer at the end. Now let's give it a try. Now it's perfect. Now we add all the details. For this part, add small sticks to make it open and close. Don't forget to add all the small details to the weapon. Now take your pen cutter, then score all the detailed line that we made before. After that, use heat gun to open up all those lines until it looks like this. Now you can see the difference before and after heat gun. We're gonna cover all the surface with silver gray spray paint until it looks like this. Now paint the details with red and lastly paint it with black. And we're done. So that's how I made Charged Rifle. Link of the templates in the description. Don't forget to follow my social media because I do give away a lot. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye.